Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a Christmas tag. Let's get started. Okay, so I got this tag from Hobby Lobby and it was on clearance, and from the materials list this is an iron-on fabric like applique, and I got it from Wal-Mart out of the fabric section. Okay, so I'm just measuring and now I'm going to cut it down. Because this tag kind of has curves and I don't have curved scissors that are going to get off in there, you'll see later on that I'm going to just take a nail file emery board, old school type, and I'm going to file around there. This is iron-on, so you see me here placing just a piece of fabric that I cut out that I'm going to use on another project. And I'm using it just to iron on it. You don't need to have, Jesus, I keep saying but you don't need to leave it on there for a long amount of time. Read the instructions on the back. I think it's like 15 to 20 seconds or something like that, or thereafter, okay? Alrighty, so now we're going to add some Ric-Rak trim, and I lay the trim out where I want it to go, then I raise it up a little bit, put some hot glue, and make little glue dots with my hot glue gun on the Ric-Rak so that I don't have glue oozing everywhere. And then you guys are going to see that I'm going to place my piece of fabric over it, and I'm going to iron all this stuff down once I get everything placed on the tag the way that I want it. That's just a quick tip that will smooth out the glue and it won't be bumpy up under your project, because that's not cute. I'm not sure if you guys has ever seen that before. You complete a project and it has hot glue on it, and the hot glue gels or cools, and there's a lump or a bump here. That is not cute to me. I don't know what you guys think, but that's annoying to me. My OCD comes out and dances around the room on things like that. I don't know why, but it does. So just a quick tip, place some fabric on it and iron it out. It'll smooth it out, you guys, and you would not believe how finished it'll make your project look. Now we're just adding a bow here, and guess what? I've talked this entire video, but thank you guys so much for taking the time to spend with me today. I really appreciate it, and as always, I hope you try the project out. Leave me a comment, like, and possibly subscribe to the channel. I would really love to have you as part of the family. You guys have a good day, be blessed, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.